add the butter into a bowl. Make sure it is room temperature. Then you need to add the caster sugar. Now using a hand whisk, give it a good whisk until nice and smooth and creamy. Normally takes about 8 minutes. Now you do need to scrape down the sides so you get all the ingredients back in the middle and start whisking again. So that looks perfect. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. And now you need to whisk it again. Scrape down the sides if you need to. Now we're going to add the remainder of the eggs and give it another whisk. Okay, we're going to add the vegetable oil and give it another whisk. Now we're going to add the milk, the baking powder, and the self-raising flour. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now just stir with a whisk, don't turn the whisk on because you don't want the flour to go everywhere. And now give it a good whisk. Now you do need to scrape down the sides of the bowl and then carry on whisking. Okay, this is looking perfect. Place into a lined baking tray. Now you just need to smooth it out. You need to bake it for 30 minutes in an oven with 180 Celsius. So once baked, leave to cool. Now I always turn mine over to get a better finish on the top. Now you don't need to do this. I'm doing it to make it look good in the video, but you can cut the sides off. And now you need to put on the strawberry jam. You must make sure it's seedless. Now mine's a little bit lumpy, so give it a good stir. Need to put the jam on very smoothly and make sure it covers all of the sponge. Don't be tight. Put as much jam as possible on. Okay, now we're going to add the coconut. Oh, this is bringing me back to my my school days. We used to love this at school. And here you go, guys. This is the finished product. Now we are going to cut it. We need 6 slices. So cut it down the middle and then 2 cuts down the side. So there you go, guys. This is the jam and coconut cake. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. And thanks for watching.